Hello, my name is Brian Maguire, and what I really liked about this project was the practical part. Yes, designing and testing our proposed turbine was really interesting, and it's the main difference between us and technicians, making processes more efficient and cheaper with a strong theoretical background. But making those drawings real also played a big role on how our project was successful. We faced several difficulties along the process, from stacking up the raw material until we made the final adjustments Friday afternoon. But it's what I really love about this project. Even though this subject is not on my bachelor curricula, I enrolled into this course because of the knowledge I gained this semester. Besides from being theoretical, I had the opportunity to put this into practice with this project, which is a big plus for me. Thank you.
In this manufacturing project, I learned to include in the considerations of the design the capability of machines and the available tool options, and not just make a free design. It was also important for me to see how a car breaks, so I can be much more aware of the security measurements and take further considerations in order to prevent these accidents. I like the application of the CAM knowledge, specifically the programming, because it goes along with my activities at my job. I also like to use different types and brands of machines and complement that part with some manual manufacturing.
During the Tesla Turbine project, I used many things that I learned in the course of advanced manufacturing. For example, the program and the use of the CNC. There are many other things that I supposed to know, but in the time that we were working, many things started getting more complicated. For example, when I create the toolpath for the water jet machine, it's supposed to be generated automatic, but it has not been done like that because the toolpath was made from the outside to the inside, and it's supposed to be done in the other way. Other thing is that it has many tiny holes, and we have to adapt the leading to be done from the inside to the outside.
I think this was one of the most interesting projects I have ever done. Using these very complicated and automated machines was very cool. We had to solve a lot of problems throughout this project. One was we had to change machines because accidentally we broke a tool, and yeah, that's also another thing we learned, that we must start the spindle before we actually start the machine so it doesn't break the tools. It was a project which was less frustrating than what I thought. At the end, the results were pretty awesome. We didn't believe we could actually manage to do that.
This project was a great challenge to apply the knowledge of advanced manufacturing. The creation of a Tesla turbine with the use of numerical control and the procedures that we had to accomplish in order to develop it without a doubt it was a good experience. The creation of the design, toolpaths, assembly, and the operation testing are very useful activities in our training. This is what we are aiming for in our future as professionals in the creation of new products. The use of technology is very important today, and I realize with this project that we must inform ourselves of the new tools that arise in our industry. Having good basic concepts is important, but staying updated is more important.